Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install OBS Studio in your computer device in a very simple way. How you can do that, just simply open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for OBS Studio. Then click on it and then you're going to get a website from obsproject.com. So click on OBS Studio. And then you're going to find out these three different operating system options. You have to click on Windows. And then here, if you can see that the download has been begun. And as you can see, the download has been completed. Now, if you click on this folder icon, you're going to get the setup wizard. So if I just click on it 2 times, there will be a permission, click yes. And you can see the setup wizard is rightly showing. So I already downloaded OBS Studio, so that's why I don't need to download it again. For that, I'm going to show you the last step. Next, you can see that you already download and you can simply install the newer version. So I don't want to go for the newer version. So for that, you have to click on next and click on install, and your OBS Studio will be installed in your computer in a very simple way. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.